Here we are again with our MTAQ weekly news bulletin, and can you believe it, we are in August. Unbelievable. Anyway, today what I wanted to focus on was to talk to all of the members about what we're doing in the EV space. As you probably become aware, these EV vehicles are now around about 20% of the market in Australia. Unbelievable. Last year, they were about 5 to 8%. All new car sales are up to about 20% with EVs alone. Hybrids, if you throw them in the mix, it's nearly 50-50 between sales of hybrid/EVs versus combustion engine vehicles. What that means is into the future, these are going to start rolling into your workshops, which is a good segue into the things that we're doing in terms of MTAQ about trying to prepare the industry for the flood of these vehicles. So first of all, our EV training, delivering it in Cairns, in Mackay, down here in the South East corner. We will go anywhere. We've been out to St. George, we've been to Toowoomba. If you're a business and you want to start to get your skills up, get your people trained up in how to service and repair EVs as well as hybrids, reach out to us on our website. There's an EOI form, so it doesn't matter where you are in Queensland. If you want us to come out and help get your workforce trained up so that you can look after EVs, let us know and we will see what we can organise and come out and see you. Also, once your staff are trained, get onto our EV Ready program. That's a signal to the marketplace and to the Queensland Government. My workshop is ready, it's skilled and it's prepared for people to come in with their vehicles, okay? It's a really important initiative, this one, because as we know in 2023, the Queensland Government had a review into electric vehicles, and one of the big recommendations was that they wanted electrically licensed workers to repair and service EVs. We pushed back on that with the Queensland Government. This is our response. So we'd like to get everybody involved, make sure that you're a business that's on the cutting edge in terms of new technology coming in. Anyway, have a great week, and we'll see you again next week.